Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Sample 1 looks tricky, but this goes fast. We just match the acid particles to the table information and lock the right drawing. Start with sample 1 and focus on concentration first, because the particle drawing must show the correct total number of acid-related particles present in that sample, not just random spacing. Next, use the hydronium ion concentration to judge how much of HA actually ionized, because a monoprotic acid makes matching amounts of H3O+, its conjugate base A-. Since ionization is only partial, the right picture must show mostly HA with fewer ions, and that balance matches option B. Well done! Option B. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given information and check each step before picking the particle diagram.